In terms of economical and budget-friendly vehicles, the new Mirage fits all of the requirements to be considered a true bargain. Mitsubishi has also made a few improvements to the 2024 Mirage, including new colors and features, as well as a new warranty on the powertrain and bumper-to-bumper. So without more delay, here are 10 reasons to buy the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage. The whole point of buying a new car that is light in numerous aspects, price, weight, and fuel consumption, is to ensure that it is also light on the wallet. The Mitsubishi Mirage not only promises to be light on all of those fronts, but it is also light on the wallet, with an EPA projected 36 miles per gallon in the city, 43 miles per gallon on the highway, and a combined EPA rating of 39 miles per gallon. This automobile could be the pinnacle of fuel economy. When combined with the Mirage's starting price of less than $17,000, the automobile is unbelievably affordable. Such fuel efficiency also results in a lower carbon impact, which is a complete win-win. Under the hood, the Mitsubishi Mirage has a naturally aspirated 1.2-liter inline triple engine that produces 76 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 74 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. This suggests that the new Mirage's specs haven't really improved over its 2023 predecessor, since the engine continues to struggle with the 2,100-pound vehicle. The standard CVT keeps the RPMs high to make the engine feel powerful. However, it makes the engine noisier than desired. Car and Driver evaluated this vehicle at speeds ranging from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a respectable 10.6 seconds, which is impressive for an economy subcompact hatchback. Given the Mirage's low price, it is safe to assume that its performance is adequate, albeit it may benefit from a more powerful engine. While the Mitsubishi Mirage lacks an updated engine compared to the 2023 model, it does include a few technological enhancements to make the driver's life easier. This automobile includes rain-sensing windshield wipers and automatic high beam assist, both of which are new features. In addition, the Mirage has a driver's side armrest, which was missing in the previous generation. The vehicle also includes a rear-view camera system and active stability control to make driving more comfortable and enjoyable. It also has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and a basic audio system with 4 speakers. The front and rear headroom are 39 and 37.2 inches, respectively, while the front and rear legroom are 41.7 and 34.2 inches. The cargo area is 17.1 cubic feet with foldable rear seats for more space if needed. All trim levels come standard with a manual liftgate, cargo light, cargo cover, and a spare tire under the cargo floor. For comparison, the cargo space for the Nissan Versa and Kia Rio, Mirage's subcompact competitors, is 14.7 cubic feet and 13.7 cubic feet, respectively. The subcompact hatchback's cabin inside space is 103.3 cubic feet, with measurements of 59.4 inches tall and 65.6 inches wide. In addition to fuel economy and low prices, the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage includes advanced safety features. It has a forward collision avoidance system with pedestrian recognition, active stability control, hill start aid, electronic brake force distribution, and brake assist. Automated emergency braking with pedestrian recognition is included on all trim levels, with lane departure warning available only on the SE trim. These features are standard on all trims, with the exception of automatic high beams and automatic rain-sensing wipers, which are only available on the SE trim and LE and up. The Mitsubishi Mirage received 4 out of 5 stars from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, but the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave it a mediocre grade. Mitsubishi's warranty is another new feature for the Mirage. This vehicle has a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Despite its name, the Mirage is not an optical illusion in the economic segment. Great fuel economy, excellent warranty starting at less than $17,000, and unparalleled complimentary maintenance. What more could a frugal consumer want in a car? Mitsubishi also recently provided free maintenance for 2 years or 30,000 miles. The new Mirage offers more than just excellent fuel economy and driver aid technologies. The vehicle also has a small and very competitive turning radius, making it ideal for navigating narrow lanes and driving through tight places in the urban jungle. This car turns quite a few heads, literally. The Mirage comes in ES-LE, Black Edition, and SE trims. The cheapest trim level, the ES, contains standard equipment such as 7.0-inch touchscreen, infotainment system, automatic climate control, and a forward collision prevention system with pedestrian recognition. The LE model level and above add 15-inch alloy wheels, automated headlights, and a black roof spoiler. The Black Edition, which is new for 2024, features black 15-inch alloy wheels, a black roof spoiler, and black side mirror caps, as well as vivid red interior elements and a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter. The SE is the top trim level, with a rear-view camera, heated front seats, and keyless entry and start. The SE trim is also equipped with LED headlights and fog lights, while the rest of the trims come with halogen headlights. The Mirage's color palette now includes two new options for Mercury Grey and Mystic Black, Graphite Grey, and Jet Black. The car is also available in Starlight Silver, Wine Red, White Diamond, Sapphire Blue, Infrared Metallic, and Sand Yellow. The Black Edition trim is available in all colors and features black exterior accents and red interior accents. In the economy class, a car that is affordable, has excellent fuel economy, is outfitted with current safety technology, and comes in a variety of colors stands out. Along with all of these amenities, the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage starts at an incredibly cheap price.